Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. The question is from official guide. Range is 650, level is medium, and concept is modifier and logical meaning. Let us begin. It says using the techniques employed by genetic engineering, a new species of microorganism has been developed by laboratory scientists to aid in cleaning up oil spills by digesting the oil. So, because the passage has and that is why our first job to check subject verb agreement. So the rule is whenever there is phrase before verb, subject will be before first preposition. And what is phrase here? This is phrase, right? Alright, so what will be the subject before first preposition? It is species, and that is why species has is fine because species considered singular. So there is no subject verb agreement error. Now we have to look at that which is modifier. Actually, a group of words that does not have subject and verb, independent subject and verb, that will become modifier. Using the techniques employed by genetic engineering does not have subject and verb. It will play a role of modifier, and for that we need a correct noun. So here after comma it is species. You know that the rule of noun modifier is noun modifier should be close to modifier either before and after. So here the first is species and it is using techniques. That is incorrect because scientists can use technique, not species. So option A out, it has modifier error. Alright, so option A out. Now option B. So let us move toward the option B. It says using the techniques employed by genetic engineering, a new species. So modifier error once again. Option B can be eliminated on the basis of modifier error. By the way, it has another error too. Why? Because it says a new species of microorganism that was developed by laboratory scientists will. So this will is for what? It is for species, same, because subject will be species will. That is not possible because the real sentence will become species will aid in cleaning. Now using the technique something can be added. So it has two errors. It's been option B out. Now option C. Using the techniques of genetic engineering laboratory scientists have developed. Alright. So using the technique of genetic engineering laboratory scientists have developed. It means scientists have developed. Why? Using the techniques. A new species of microorganism to aid, right? It means C seems fine. Option D. Employing the techniques of genetic engineering, there has been a development by laboratory scientists of new species of microorganism that will aid. What does it mean? It's mean what? That microorganism will aid in cleaning up oil spills. So it is exaggeration. Second one, employing the techniques of genetic engineering is about development. Why? Because it cannot modify. There has no meaning and it is not pronoun but it is introductory pronoun, and introductory pronoun is not used for any noun. So employing the techniques of genetic engineering is modifying development. Remember people, modifier never modifies there. Alright, because there is introductory pronoun and that is not used for any noun. So it is modifying development along with the meaning. It is out. Now option E. Option E says employing the techniques of genetic engineering, a new species. Same problem that was in option A and option B. Of microorganism that was developed by laboratory scientists will. Again, species will aid. That is incorrect. and that is why option E out. So in short, whenever you look at modifier part, first of all check that which part is playing a role of modifier. After that, try to guess the intended meaning of that modifier and find out noun that can be modified, and after that eliminate options. So from this question, option C is the best option.